Hello guys, welcome back to IIT Prep Solution channel. Today we are discussing about this question, okay? Let A equal to H comma K and B equal to 1 comma 1, C equal to 2 comma 1 be the vertices of right angle triangle with AC as its hypotenuse. If the area of triangle is 1, that means delta equal to 1, then the set of values which K can take is given by solvation. What is the formula for area of triangle? That is delta equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for this question. In the question they given delta equal to 1 equal to delta equal to 1, x1 equal to h, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 2, y1 equal to k, y2 equal to 1, y3 equal to also 1. Okay, we want to substitute these values in this equation. 1 equal to half into x1 is h, y2 minus y3, 1 minus 1 0, plus x2 is 1, y3 minus y1, 1 minus k, plus x3 is 2, y1 minus y2, k minus 1 is 1. Cross multiplication. 2 equal to 0 plus 1 minus k plus 2k minus 2. 2 is equal to k minus 1. 2 is equal to k minus 1. So that k is equal to 3, or here k equal to, in this k equal to minus 1, okay, 2, minus 1 comma 3 is the our required answer. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.